Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rice cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Cook with Color 3L Glass Low Carb Rice Cooker. Designed for health-conscious cooking, this innovative rice cooker uses a smart 2-step process to boil and steam rice, removing excess starch for a lower carb, fluffier result. Its standout feature is the auto-lifting stainless steel basket, which separates rice from starchy water without manual draining. This makes it perfect for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle while still enjoying delicious rice-based meals. The design is sleek and modern, with a durable borosilicate glass construction that provides transparency to monitor the cooking process. The included digital panel is simple to use, offering multifunctional cooking options like steaming, braising, and even hot pot capabilities. It's ideal for small families or individuals who want a versatile appliance that handles more than just rice. However, at 700 watts, it's more powerful than some competitors, which means quicker cooking times but slightly higher energy consumption. While the Cook with Color rice cooker excels in innovation and style, its relatively higher price point and smaller user base, as reflected in its customer reviews, make it less appealing for those seeking a proven brand. It's a great pick for health-focused users, but might not suit those looking for traditional rice cooking options. Pros: healthy cooking process, stylish glass design, multifunctional capabilities. Cons: higher price, limited customer feedback. At rank number 4, we have the Cuckoo Rice Cooker CR0375FW. This Korean-made rice cooker brings advanced, fuzzy logic technology to the table, automatically adjusting cooking time and temperature for perfectly cooked rice every single time. Its versatility shines with options to prepare white rice, brown rice, oats, and even baby food. Additionally, the self-clean setting and non-stick pot make cleanup a breeze. The design is compact yet modern, featuring a 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked capacity. It's perfect for small families or individuals who prioritize convenience and efficiency. The removable lid and non-stick inner pot add to the ease of use, while the delay timer and keep warm settings allow for flexible meal planning. However, at 425 watts, it consumes slightly more power than budget options, but delivers faster cooking results. The bright white finish fits nicely into any kitchen space, though some may prefer more neutral tones. The Cuckoo rice cooker is ideal for busy families who want a reliable, easy-to-use appliance with advanced cooking features. However, its higher price tag and relatively small cooking capacity may not suit larger households. Pros: advanced fuzzy logic technology, versatile cooking options, easy cleanup. Cons: higher price, limited capacity. At rank number 3, we have the Aroma Housewares ARC 363NG, the budget-friendly option in our list. This rice cooker is perfect for those who want simplicity at an unbeatable price. It features a one-touch operation, allowing you to cook up to 6 cups of cooked rice with ease. The automatic keep warm function ensures your rice stays hot and ready to serve, while its full-view tempered glass lid lets you monitor the cooking process. The design is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. The non-stick removable inner pot makes cleanup hassle-free, and the included rice measuring cup and serving spatula are thoughtful additions. While the ARC 363NG doesn't offer advanced features or programmable settings, its straightforward functionality and efficient performance make it a great choice for those on a tight budget. This model is perfect for individuals or small households who want a reliable, no-frills rice cooker. However, its lack of versatility and lower wattage, 500 watts, may not suit those looking for faster cooking or multifunctional options. Pros: incredibly affordable, simple operation, compact design. Cons, limited features, lower capacity. At rank number 2, we have the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker ARC 914 SBD. This versatile rice cooker offers programmable digital controls and multiple preset functions, making it ideal for cooking white rice, brown rice, steaming vegetables, or even preparing soups and stews. With a capacity of 8 cups of cooked rice, it's a step up from the ARC 363 NG, offering more flexibility and convenience. The stainless steel exterior gives it a modern and durable design, while the included steam tray allows you to cook meat or veggies simultaneously with your rice. Its standout feature is sensor logic technology, which ensures perfectly fluffy rice by automatically controlling the cooking temperature. The 15-hour delay timer is a bonus for meal planning, and the flash rice function cuts cooking time by up to 50%. This model is great for families who want a reliable, feature-packed rice cooker without breaking the bank. However, at 350 watts, it's slightly less powerful than premium options, which means longer cooking times for some functions. Pros: versatile functions, modern design, sensor logic technology. Cons: lower wattage, bulkier than simpler models. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom rice cooker and warmer. This premium rice cooker uses microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology to deliver precise cooking results for up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice. Whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or even baking a cake with the dedicated cake menu setting, this model handles it all with unmatched efficiency. The design is top-notch, featuring a stainless steel exterior with a clear coat finish for easy cleaning. The retractable power cord adds convenience, while the detachable inner lid ensures hassle-free maintenance. With automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheating cycles, your food is always ready when you are. The included steaming basket and delay timer add even more versatility. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 is perfect for larger families or rice enthusiasts who demand top-quality performance. Its higher price point reflects its premium features and build quality. But if you're looking for the best rice cooker on the market, this is the one to beat. Pros: advanced technology, versatile functions, premium build quality. Cons: expensive, larger footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.